Now the question is where to go from here. Obviously, if you haven't already got yourself some gear, get up and running, start test driving it, get in there and twist some knobs, try to do some recording, and most likely just be upset with not being okay at what you're trying to do, because it is going to take some time. Come back to these videos, rewatch them, ask me some questions, post some questions down there. I will answer as many as I can. I will be making more videos about the finer details of every aspect of recording and making music. EQ, compression, blah, blah, blah. Any feedback is totally welcome, as I will try to make the channel more engaging, entertaining, and fix anything that might not be going optimally right now. This is all a work in process. Again, one of the main themes, and I will leave you with this here at the Crooked Cloud. As I was installing that, I lined it up as best as I could, got on top of a chair and nailed it up. Pretty sure before I got up on that chair that it was level. It wasn't until I got down that I realized that it is not. But everybody who's come in here hasn't noticed until I pointed out. And that was one of those things that I had noticed with my creative endeavors, was that sometimes I would waste time by trying so hard to get up and down and fix something that in the end you can just move on and start making more, because you take that lesson and you start rolling it into the next project and you keep making art. I would encourage you to not worry about the smaller details so much and make music, experiment, and enjoy the process, because it's never going to stop. I have not found that it stops, and by all means, if somebody has found where it stops, I would love to talk to you. So please send me a message, show me where the edge is, because it seems as in everything with music, there's always something else to learn, something new to explore, and another way to grow, not only as a musician, but as a person as well. And I encourage you to take that journey, make some music, and share what you're doing with your friends and family, and enjoy the process. And don't worry so much about the little tiny details, because as long as you keep moving forward, those are the things that make you you. You can't have a crooked cloud in nature, because a cloud's just doing what it does. To an extent, we're a natural phenomenon as well, and the position you are with your music is exactly who you are. You can't realign a cloud, so don't be too upset if your music doesn't become what you want it to be at first. You just gotta keep doing it. Not sure if you noticed throughout the video that this is crooked, but if not, that's just a great indicator that most likely you sharing your music, whether you like it or not, whether you hear those small differences or how great or bad a specific aspect is, most likely those details aren't gonna matter as much. As long as you're having fun and enjoying what you do, I think that's the real reason why we make music, so start doing that. So make sure you're enjoying the process. Until next time.